Roll sound, roll camera, action. I think most of you have come here from my Instagram because obviously वरना क्यों ही देखोगे ये वीडियो तुम YouTube पे. But since अगर आप Instagram से हो तो आप मेरा नाम जानते रहेंगे. But anyway, hi, I'm Meera. So since I'm a film student, obviously पूरी दुनिया के फिल्म का नॉलेज तो मुझे ही है. मैं ही आपको बता सकती हूँ कि दिग्दर्शक क्या सोच रहे हैं. मतलब टैरेंटिनो तो मुझे ही फोन करता है फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट होने के बाद कि मैंने ऐसे ऐसे इसलिए किया. तुमको नहीं पता फिल्म्स क्या होती है, मुझे पता है. मुझे I've just seen a lot of new stuff lately, and this video is just going to be me venting about what I loved, what I hated, a mixture of both.
A mixture of both.
You never know how this video is going to end. So, let's get into it. Disclaimer. आपको इधर सत्यजीत रे, फ्रांकोis ट्रूफो जैसे क्रिटिकली अक्लेम्ड फिल्म मेकर्स की चीज़ें कम ही डिस्कस करने को दिख जाएंगी, क्योंकि एज मच एज आई ट्राई टू लाइक वॉच गुड कंटेंट, all I eventually end up consuming is brain numbing, nonsensical, ridiculous fluff junk. तो मतलब आप पूरे दुनिया के 1000 फालतू चीजें निकालो, मैंने सारी देख ली होंगी. 5 अच्छे फिल्में दिखा दो, मैं कलंक हूँ मेरे खुद के डिग्री पे. मेरे कॉलीग्स, मेरे दोस्त बहुत बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें देखते हैं, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे फिल्मों पे डिस्कस करते हैं. मैं पता है मैं क्या देखती हूँ, मैं बताना भी नहीं चाहती आपको मैं क्या देखती हूँ. एमटीवी देखती हूँ मैं बॉलीवुड वाइब्स देखती हूँ, मैं ट्रेटर्स देखती हूँ. ऐसे नॉनसेंस चीजें मुझसे पूछो, मैं देखती हूँ. व्हाट एम आई सेइंग? बारिश आ रही. There are 3 films slash web series that I have watched in recent times. We are going to be talking about them now. And sorry, like I have written stuff down in my diary जो नीचे रखी है, तो if I just go down like this, please, that sounds wrong. If I do this, just please bear with me. I'm like really trying to method dress right now. So I think the first film that I want to really talk about is something that has had very polarizing views on it, which is Sayyara Tu To Badla Nahi. I shouldn't be singing that song because it is such a beautiful song and I'm such a bad singer. I'm not even qualified to be a bathroom singer. Why I personally liked Sayyara was because it's a nice film. Was I crying and like wanting to put IV bags in the theater? No. Is it the most heartbreaking film that I have seen? No. Is it the greatest film I have seen? No. Is it the world's best romance? No. But is it a good film? Yes. I think one of the things that I love about films are when they are crisp. Like they go from point A to point B without any divergence and deviations and all of that. They are simple. Boy meets girl, they fall in love, obstacles happen, girls run away, girl runs away, boy gets her back, boom, they marry, happy ending. It's that simple. I think the second reason why I again liked it is because I think the acting is really good. Now people are gonna come at me for this, being like, oh, or either they're gonna agree with me a lot. I don't know, because again, a lot of mixed reviews about the performances, but I personally really liked the acting from the entire cast and especially the leads. I think Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda have done a really good job. The film was being compared to Ashiki 2, and if you actually give it a thought, even their characters were somewhat similar to Ashiki 2. That whole bad boy, good girl vibe and all of that. The good girl kind of fixes the bad boy and whatever. But despite of that, they played it really differently here. What I especially liked about Aneet Padda's character is how she's a simple girl, but she's not delicate and she's not fragile ki haath lagao toot jayegi. She's strong and she's independent in her own self. She has her own mindset, she has her own thoughts. Even does like she has a whole value system, but she's not one of those typical sanskari ho kind of a girl. She's a modern character out and out. Now I think I'm just gonna go out on a limb and try to gauge why the audiences, like the mass audiences, the people who've earned this film 500 crores,
500 crores.
why they would have liked it. I think one of those reasons is that it has a happy ending. For example, now don't come at me for this because I'm not comparing these two films, but hear me out. Titanic works because it has a tragic ending. The same way I think Sanyara works because it has a happy ending. If either of one of them had died या फिर वाणी भूल ही जाती और छोड़कर ही जाती सब कुछ, it wouldn't have worked because the entire point of the film is that love triumphs all and all of that sort of a thing. अगर वो जुड़ते नहीं तो फिर point ही क्या था पूरे film का? And especially for the girls, whenever they are like watching Sanyara, they would obviously be like, I want a guy like Krish Kapoor who will love me so much. Like, you know how the girlfriends usually ask their boyfriends ki, अगर मैं चूहा होती तो फिर भी तुम मुझसे प्यार करते? What would you do if I was a worm? So I think there's another question now added to that list where you're like, अगर मुझे अल्जाइमर्स हुआ, मैं तुम्हें भूल ही गई, तो तुम क्या करोगे? प्यार करोगे फिर भी मुझसे या मुझे छोड़ दोगे? This is probably the kind of love they would aspire to have or would want in their lives. Having said that, I can guarantee to all those girls that if you really do find a real Krish Kapoor, you probably wouldn't like him at all. And this is from a girl who was obsessed with Wattpad. This film is a Wattpad novel on screen, and every single Wattpad bad boy is good only when you're reading about him. When you face someone like that in real life, you're not going to like him. I wouldn't like a real Krish Kapoor. I just liked his trait of loving, but that's probably the only thing that I liked about him, apart from the looks and the abs. Just that. For everyone was like, सैयारा का तो पीआर ही नहीं हुआ है, बहुत हुआ है, बट इट जस्ट एक बहुत ट्रेडिशनल वे में नहीं हुआ है. जस्ट बिकॉज आपको वो लीड एक्टर्स लिटिल चैम्प्स में आके वाह करते नहीं दिखे इसका मतलब उसका पीआर नहीं हुआ है, ऐसा नहीं. ऑल दोज रील्स दैट यू सॉ are a part of the PR. That's not solely audience review or feedback. That's PR. A lot of money, a lot of effort, a lot of sweat goes into this, into making a film. And if you've made a film, you should like put all hands on deck to make sure that people go to the theaters and watch it. So all of the audiences go like, oh, PR. किया है और करना चाहिए, अच्छी बात है. And I'm gonna give out like a special mention to the music because I love the entire album. I think I am obsessed with it. I've been listening to every single song on loop. But I think that is also with every Mohit Suri film, right? I mean, har ek film Mohit Suri ki dekhe, the songs are bangers. And with Sayyara, I mean, Mausam zara sa rootha. I love the lyricism of it as well, by the way. सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है, मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है. I've spent like minutes, trying to explain these lyrics to people because I was just so excited after listening to them. The whole premise of the film, where it's like, it's not your fault, it's just the situation, it's just the circumstances that have, posed these problems for us. In just few beautiful lines, they have explained the entire plot of the film. That's peak lyricism. Peak lyricism. I've sang that song more times than I've said hi to people in this past month. And okay, I have to say this. I have a problem with every single person who's ever told me क्यों सैयारा तो कितनी एवरेज है, कोई तो प्लॉट ट्विस्ट ही नहीं है, क्या ही है, सिंपल ही तो है. बट दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ द फिल्म. सम फिल्म्स आर सिंपल एंड दे आर गुड बिकॉज दे आर सिंपल. हर फिल्म को कोई एक माइंड बॉगलिंग पजल या कोई एक इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर होने की जरूरत नहीं है. And honestly, even as movie goers, you shouldn't expect every single film to be like that. क्योंकि after a point आपको ही fatigue आने वाला है. Constantly you're going to films which are making you think and making you explode your brain or whatever it is. आप थक जाओगे. So sometimes films need to be simple. So stop being so elitist about it कि अरे twist ही नहीं है, ये ही नहीं है. One thing I'll give to Sanyara is trailer gives you a pretty good idea of what the film is going to be like. And फिर भी आपको अगर trailers या promos देख के समझ नहीं आया and then you were disappointed that the film is this way, it's honestly on you. क्योंकि the film is exactly what the trailer promises it is going to be. काजल लगाना चाहिए था क्या? मेरी मेथड ड्रेसिंग की प्रथा आगे बढ़ाते हुए I don't know what's going on with the makeup situation. The eyes are more hungover than smoky. But we are gonna say it's good and we are gonna roll with it because that's how we do things here. Do you get it? So the next series that I am going to be raging about is the season 2 of Wednesday. I shouldn't be smiling. Of Wednesday. Without blinking. Of Wednesday. I have no notes to say here because there's only one thing that I've been dying to like scream out, which is the second season was so bad. Like, it wasn't good. I'm sorry, it wasn't good. I think one of my main issues with the second season was with the amount of gap that there was between the first and the second season. जब first season आया था, I was in the first year of my masters. उसके बाद मेरा 2 साल का मास्टर्स कोर्स कंप्लीट हुआ. उसके बाद मैंने 1 साल का जॉब किया along with making a documentary.
Wow!
And now I'm currently unemployed. That's how many things have happened. Like, I was very hazy about what exactly had happened in the first season. And on top of that, I don't get what is this new trend that has been happening with like part ones and part twos of like final seasons of any series. कि मतलब 4 एपिसोड रिलीज कर रहे हो तुम आफ्टर 3 इयर्स. तुम 4 एपिसोड्स रिलीज कर रहे हो और उसके 1 महीने बाद तुम बाकी के आई एम अज्यूमिंग 4 या 5 ही एपिसोड्स होंगे वो रिलीज कर रहे हो. उसमें भी 4 एपिसोड्स में तुम 400 प्लॉट स्टोरीज निकाल रहे हो. मतलब सबका कुछ अलग ही चल रहा है. सो आफ्टर द फोर्थ एपिसोड फिनिश आई हैड नो आइडिया व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन, हु इज अगेंस्ट हु इज अटैकिंग हु. बिकॉज इतना भेल कर दिया है उन्होंने प्लॉट लाइन्स का कि मतलब हर किसी का कुछ अलग ही चल रहा है. एंड नन ऑफ देम सीम लाइक worthy enough to like to take some interest in. I don't get it. It's like they did too much in too little. अगर तुम्हारे होते भाई 1.5 घंटे के एपिसोड तो समझ आता कि बहुत टाइम गया है. नहीं है तो कर दो ना रिलीज 8 या 10 एपिसोड जो भी है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. All for like the so-called hype that you're gonna get in 2 months. I genuinely thought that the stalker arc is going to be like the point of the entire second season, but क्या हो गया. So now I don't know what the rest of the season is going to focus on because spoiler alert, like I think तुमको spoiler alert बहुत पहले दे देना चाहिए था. Sorry, but anyway, uh, again spoiler alert, but Tyler is out now in like the 4th episode and there's some family aunt, his mom drama that people are expecting to like come up. in the rest of the season. But like I'll obviously watch it because I'll watch it. मैंने मनी हाइस्ट पूरा देखा है 5 सीजन तो ये तो 4 एपिसोड मैं देख ही सकती हूँ. Honestly, the whole plot line about Enid getting with some other guy. Again, point क्या है? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. क्यों ही मतलब it's just a waste of screen time and coverage and her character, honestly, because her character could have been so much more this season. She could have been a much stronger ally to Wednesday, but instead you've painted her as a victim कि अरे उसका तो murder हो जाने वाला है. And yes, of course, like the new friend that Wednesday has now, that's cute. That the jealousy part was extremely cute. But I was a huge fan of Enid's character, and I just feel like she was wasted this season, so far at least. I really hope that she's redeemed, in the final part of the second season. But so far, I have just been really not happy with how her character's plot is going on. It's just very wasteful. It's just unnecessary, and I just don't get it. Also, I do not like the inclusion of Pugsley, who is Wednesday's brother. I mean, he's just annoying. I'm not giving any hate to the actor, obviously, but uske character, मतलब the only reason he's there is probably to get out the zombie who might play a bigger role because in the next few episodes because now he's out and everything. But उसके scenes मुझे bore हो रहे थे. Like I've never really found myself like forwarding stuff, but in these first 4 episodes, I was like forwarding constantly कि अरे point पे आओ मैं क्या देख रही हूँ मैं क्यों देख रही हूँ ये boring boring boring. Like even with fluff episodes या filter storylines, वो भी अगर तुम entertaining बनाओगे ना तो मैं देख लूंगी. मेरा bar of being entertained is quite low. It's not that high. So if even I am getting bored तो मतलब it's truly boring. ठीक है. Fluff भी entertaining हो सकता है, just that you didn't make it entertaining enough. I remember reading some comment on Reddit because yes, now I'm that girl who jumps into the Reddit rabbit hole. And the comment basically said that in the first season, Wednesday was mean only to the people who were not nice to her or were mean to the people that she cared about. But in the second season, she's just straight up mean to everyone. And that's true. I mean, I kind of dig Wednesday's vibe with the whole she's stone hearted and all of that. But I really loved her character in the first season because she was shown as a person who had like a caring, loving heart for like a select bunch of people. And that was the beauty of her character. I get it that she was busy, trying to solve Enid's murder, supposed murder, and that, she really cares about her. And this is like a sign that she cares about Enid, and it is. But you know, like the whole kindness of the heart thing comes out in like small little moments. I would have really liked to see some Enid Wednesday friendship moments. All in all, I don't have that much of a great review for the second season of Wednesday. But am I going to watch the rest of the final season? Yes. Team Tyler, by the way. I really like them together in the first season. I really hope that he changes and has some sort of a redeeming arc that's justifiable enough. I doubt that's going to happen, but I'm hoping, sort of. Jenna Ortega doesn't blink when she is acting in the series. And I was gonna try that whole thing, but मैं एक second में ऐसे blink करती हूँ. तो नहीं हुआ मेरे से. Anyway, I hope you're not bored. I hope you weren't bored. I tried really hard not to bore you. Also, I know I promised to talk about 3 films or series in this video, but मेरी life की तरह मेरी ये video के लिए planning भी बहुत underwhelming थी. So I think this video is already too long. एंड अगर आप वो खतरों के खिलाड़ी हो जो अभी तक टिके हुए हो, तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर इवन यू आर bored of me yapping about it, and I think you're just tired of my voice also at this point, because let's admit it, I don't have a great voice. So we'll fit in the next series that I was going to talk about in the next video. Thank you for listening to my yapping. If you agree with my opinions, if you disagree with them, if you agree strongly, if you disagree vehemently, let me know in the comments. We can talk about it, we can debate about it, we can get into an online trolling warfare about it. I don't know. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.